everyone! I've got something truly special for you today. Brace yourselves because Doodle Traffic is about to unveil its very own paintbrush set. And guess what? Your girl got an early access! So, without further ado, let me give you an exciting sneak peek at these exclusive brushes that are personally handpicked and designed by the talented Gabby herself. When you open the box, you're greeted with a stunning piece of artwork by Gabby. But the real magic happens when you lay your eyes on the brushes. The sleek black matte handles are not just beautiful, but they also provide a comfortable grip. And take a look at the ferrule. Honestly, I've never seen anything like this before. This set features a total of 7 brushes. And here's the exciting part. 2 of these are actually travel brushes. So here we have a size 16 round brush, a size 10 flat, a size 8 filbert, a size 4 flat, and a size 1 rigger. For the travel brushes, we have a size 12 round and a 1/4 inch dugger brush. Wow, these travel brushes are very lightweight. It literally feels like you're not holding anything. Now, if you're as excited as I am about these amazing brushes, don't wait another moment. Head over to Craftamo's website and sign up to be notified and be among the first to experience the magic of Doodle Traffic's paintbrush set.